So if you found this video, it's probably because you're thinking of dedicating some time to YouTube, or you already have a YouTube channel and you're wondering just what it takes to make $1,000 off of one video. Or you've been watching my channel and you're a subscriber and you're thinking to yourself, why does Eddie spend all this time creating videos? Is it actually worth it? Now, my channel is a little bit unique because I cover a wide array of tech issues and a lot of stock investing, options trading, and crypto. And so I'm going to show you what it took to gain $1,000 in ad revenue just from ad revenue alone. No affiliate, no links, no courses. And before I disclose this in just 1 second, I do want to point out the amount of money you're going to earn will vary widely on how much time people are spending watching your video. What is your CPM? It's going to vary widely on the topic. Are you doing health and fitness videos, tech videos, or are you doing prank videos and nature drone footage? These will all bring in very different type of ad revenue streams. It's also important to point out that it matters what type of ads are being shown and where you place those ads. Now, you don't have control over what type of ads are being shown. Hopefully YouTube chooses ads that the viewer will actually interact with, but you do have control where you place those ads in your video. And that is key. I personally found that placing it strategically, and you can do that in YouTube Editor, helps a lot. To place it somewhere where you're just starting to talk about something very interesting, but then an ad hits, the person is much more likely to stick around and watch the remainder of the video than if you just have it during a plain or filler part of the video where you throw an ad in. So ad placement is just as important as how many ads you're going to put on the video and also the length of the video itself. So without further ado, here are two examples of how I'm bringing in $1,000 from two very different videos, and hopefully that helps answer your question. All right, so let's see if we can make some sense of this. So this first video I'm going to show you is a Tinkercad tutorial video. It's a 3D printing program for CAD design, so computer aided design in 3D. I posted this a while ago, and this has almost 200,000 views. And as you can see, I netted over $1,200 in revenue. But if I go over here on August 20th, when it was at 180,000, this is when I hit that $1,000 revenue mark. So this video took 180,000 views in order to reach it. And now it's important to note that over here, if I go to the editor, you see these are ads. So I had two ads placed in the middle of the video as well, and then an ad in the beginning and an ad at the end. And then I'm going to show you another video that is slightly different. Now, before I do that, I want to point out something here, that this YouTube platform, it has amazing things on the analytics end, and this is in studio.youtube.com. So it gives you the overview, but you can also see the reach, you can see the engagement, the audience, the revenue, and this number is very important. This is RPM, and it basically tells you how much you earned per 1,000 views. So the RPM is telling us that for every 1,000 views on this video, I earned $6.04. But here's something interesting. Here's another video, and this video only has 43,699 views. So remember, the other one, I needed 180,000 in order to hit this mark of $1,000. Whereas here, I'm just under 44,000 views, and already I'm close to $1,000. This is 931. Now, I did the math, and it turns out that I'm going to need this to hit a little bit over 48,000 views, and this is when I'll hit my $1,000 mark. So as you can see here, a different video. This is a crypto video, how to buy OMI tokens, which is a very unique crypto, and I saw that there wasn't a really good video on how to buy it, so I created it. It has over 40,000 views already, and I'm going to hit that $1,000 at 48,000 views. Now, the reason I'm comparing it to this video is because it's similar in the sense that there's an ad in the beginning, at the end, and I also placed two strategically in the middle of the video. Remember, strategic placement is key when placing these ads. Also remember, you cannot place ads in the middle of your video unless your video is over 8 minutes. Now, some people, I watch channels, I keep up to date, and some people, they say it's 10 minutes. It's not, it's 8 minutes, and I verified it through some articles and on just Google resources themselves. Your video has to be over 8 minutes, and then you will be able to place these ads in the middle of your video and continuously monetize your video. Now remember, I can go ahead and I can add a commercial and an ad here every single minute of the video and have a bazillion ads. However, not a lot of people are going to stick around to watch it, so it's not good to do. You don't want to turn your audience away. You don't want to just be about profit. You want to put out content that is helpful to the user, that brings value, and they will thank you by sticking around, watching your video, liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and engaging. And they do that because you help them, they help you. And this is key in the game of YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video in its entirety. Hopefully it helped answer your question. I appreciate you guys a lot. I will see you guys in the next video.